You sound dreadful, Penny. Should you be at work? It's Sam's day off, so I'm needed at the station. It's just a sniffle anyway. Come on, Elvis. Let's get back. Here you go.
Thanks.